Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is The Art of Manliness. This is a really fun book to have, as part of your coffee table sitting out, or maybe even as a gift for someone that is becoming a young man or even a father. I have this book for myself at the coffee table because it's really interesting. It's kind of like a how-to guide, and it just has really cool tips in it. So it has some practical everyday tips, and then it has tips that are like old-fashioned gentleman type. For example, it talks about how to write a good thank you note, which is important for everyone, of knowing what are things that you should include, what should you talk about, kind of like how to form a thank you note. But then it also tells you the history of flowers and how flowers used to have different meanings, and if you send a girl yellow roses, what does that mean? And there's really fun chapters like how to be a good father, how to braid your daughter's hair, which it might not be something you know how to do. And so it just has these really interesting topics, or how to go camping, how to fight someone, how to give a hug. The Art of Manliness might be one of the most random books that you have in your bookshelf, but it's a really good addition. Like I said, it could make a really good gift for someone that is growing older or becoming a dad or getting married. There's a lot of good tips in here. But if you're like me and you just want to have a good conversation piece, and if you keep it off on your coffee table or your bookshelves when your friends come over, it strikes up a conversation every time. People just love flipping through it and reading different sections. It's very interesting, and it has good tips for everyone. And that's my point of view.